So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum Classic cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, which it is right here, go to the bottom and select the middle icon, that is the magnifying glass. Once you're here, you can go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and you can start typing in Ethereum. Now, once you're here, there's two different options. There's Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. So we're looking for Ethereum Classic or ticker symbol ETC. Once you have that selected at the bottom where it says buy, go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can then select, or I guess type in how much of Ethereum Classic you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then once you're here, you can then type in the Ethereum Classic amount, the fees, the cost, and if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and you can swipe up to submit. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Ethereum Classic here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.